Hello, good morning children. How are you? Hope you have completed with your good morning rhyme, prayers, phonic drill, days of the week and months of the year. Do the revision of color of the month, that is grey color, and shape of the month, that is rhombus. Also do the revision of community helper, that is farmer. Let's revise few lines about farmers. Farmer is an important person for every country. They grow crops in the field. Farmer lives a simple life. Every day they work hard. I respect all the farmers. They wake up early in the morning. Also do the revision of our hero of the month, that is Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Let's revise few lines about Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, also known as Swatantra Veer Savarkar and also Veer Savarkar. He was born on 28 May 1883 in Bhagur of Nasik district. He studied in Fergusson College in Pune and completed his law studies from London, United Kingdom. He was a leading figure in the Hindu Mahasabha. He was an Indian independence activist and politician who formulated the Hindu nationalist Hindutva. He wrote a book, The Indian War of Independence. Now we'll also revise theme-based rhyme. What is the theme for the month? Plant Kingdom. Now we'll revise our theme-based rhyme. What is the name? Plant. Let's revise. This is my garden. I will plant it with care. Here are the seeds. I will plant in there. The sun will shine. The rain will fall. The seeds will sprout and grow up tall. One more time. This is my garden. I will plant it with care. Here are the seeds. I will plant in there. The sun will shine. The rain will fall. The seeds will sprout and grow up tall. Today I am going to teach you matching of pairs. Let's see what we have to match. Match each picture with its starting letter. What we have to do? We have to match each picture with its starting letter. Let's see what is there given. In first column we have some pictures and in other column we have some letters, alphabets. Let's see. Peacock, lion, elephant, rat, van, dog. And in the other column, D, V, R, E, L, P. Now we'll do matching of pair. Peacock starts with P. Let's find where is P. In the other column, D. This is D, V, R. We have to find P. Yes. E, L, P. Yes, we found P. Peacock starts with P. We found our first pair. Now the second is Lion. Let's start. Lion starts with L. Now we'll find L. Okay. D V R E L. Yes, lion starts with L. We found our second pair. Now third. Third is elephant. Elephant starts with E. This is D V R E. Yes, we found E. Elephant starts with E. Now fourth is rat. Rat starts with R. Where is R? D V R. Yes, rat starts with R. Now the fifth one is van. What we have to find? V. Van starts with V. D V. Here this is V. Van starts with V. Now the second is dog. Dog starts with D. See in the second column, first letter is D. We found all 6 matching pairs. We done with all the 6. Okay, children. We'll meet you in next class. Bye bye. Take care and do the revision of Hero of the Month, Community Helper of the Month, Color of the Month and Shape of the Month. Bye bye.